to be doing an awesome review on the company Woody's. And they have the most amazing toys, and the one that I have today are called the stacking stones. I'm going to try and stack 16 blocks all in one. It's super difficult, but I know it's possible. Are you ready? Let's try.
Aww.
I'm almost there. I only have 3 more. This is super high. Let's see if I can do it. Oh my gosh, just 1 more. Yay! These stacking stones are absolutely amazing. The pastel colors are so soothing, and unique shapes makes it both fun and challenging to stack. I managed to stack all 16 stones. Can you? Test your skills and give it a try. The link is below, or head to woodys.com to grab yours now.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video.